Right, iPhone 5 guys, water, oh no, water inside. Vai, primeira coisa, traz parafusos, já terei um parafuso, agora vou tirar outro parafuso agora, só para vocês. Ele já está tudo atarrachado, anyway, here we go. Não perder estes parafusos que senão, oh lá lá, manitas. Best tool para mim é este tool para capar uma pessoa. Anyway, para seguir isto aqui de roda. Anyway, vou levantar com o iPhone 4 atrás, só traz parafusos, a parte de trás slides off. iPhone 5 abre de frente. O que eu faço é para seguir aqui a roda disto. Go around the corners, really gentle, try and lift it up as much as you can. Make sure be gentle, nice and gentle. Get in there, don't be scared to use a bit of force. Bingo! Já está lá. Nice one. Now, can you see it? It's just a tiny bit just open. I've got to open just the rest. Got to be just a little bit careful here because not to feather in, not to feather out. There it goes. Follow right round. Right round. Do not forget, open this way up, unless if you don't, because all the flexes on this side, take your flexes, tacky. You got the camera one, you got earpiece one, you got the front camera one. That's the sensor camera. Take your speaker, always open back this way. Should just come undone, but I just want to be a bit there's a bit of flex. It'd be nice and steady. This one's got water inside, so that's just the size of that. You can see it. You got a lead there, plus you got a whole lot of other leads there, so you just need to unhook it. This phone just had water inside, so all you need to do, get your tool, your opening tool, get your best tool. Well, I prefer to use this tool is the best, but on this occasion you have to use one of these kind of plastic ones because you can just damage this flex, and then if you do, you see the flex just there, you will damage your LCD. There, just disconnect. All it does, lifts it up, and that's it, and it's all done. Ta-da! Where's the water? It was water inside. Apparently this fell in the water, now it's not coming on. As you can see, I can't see any water. No water at all, but let's give this a few drops here. Let me just see what there is. This is, I use a cloth, one of these kind of pads. If it's wet, this is going to get wet, but I can't see any water. But next thing I'm going to dismantle is this. You got 3 screws there. You got 1, 2, 3. There's a metal plate remove this plate off one of these little gadgets here. Now I need to get like a screw one here. Let's give this baby one, mama. There it is. Just by removing every single one. There's one there. The second one there. That's your third one. Don't forget, always hold the LCD, because if you drop that off, you're gonna break all the flexes. There's loads of flexes there. If you break that off, you you might just say bye bye to your phone. If you force it, that's it. Love to hear someone's been fiddling with this. Someone's already been playing with this phone. Yeah, I think this phone has been in the shop anyway. People at the shop open it. This phone belongs to one of my friends, and they've opened everything up, and apparently they said there's water damage. The motherboard was gone, which is, as you know, this is older motherboard here. What I'm gonna have to do, once I could get a bigger screwdriver, get this motherboard off, which is a little plate that comes up like that. Take the motherboard out, dry as much as I can. There's a special liquid, which is in our bowl here. My special liquid. Wash it, dry it, replace it back, and then hopefully it's going to work. But I tell you, this battery doesn't look healthy. Look at that, loads of dents on it. Now how the hell is that happen? No way I'll have as many dents as this. Because normally they're nice and straight, so maybe they've taken it out, put it back in, dropped on the floor a couple of times, stepped on it, jumped on it, put it back up. Anyway, we got quite a few screws to take out. I don't know if you can see it. We got one here, one there, one there, one there, one there, one on there, one down here, 1, 2, 3, there. Then four, another one there, another one there, one there, and then one there, another two there, another two there. Then move all this space. Okay, but guys, this video is just about removing the iPhone LCD, which I just showed you. Don't forget, thumbs up, guys. See you on the other side. Thumbs up.